In this video, I'll show you how to use auto captions in CapCut. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video you want to edit and add it to the timeline. Next, select the text option from the toolbar, then click Auto Captions. Choose the language spoken in your video and review any available caption settings. Now, click Generate and wait while CapCut automatically creates captions based on your video's audio. Once the captions appear, play your video and check them for accuracy. After that, click on any caption to edit the text, adjust the timing, or change the font, color, size, and animation. Continue making changes until the captions match your video perfectly. Finally, preview the entire video one last time. When you're happy with the results, click Export, choose your preferred video settings, and save the finished video to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use auto captions in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.